Ingress timeout error. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem in less than 1 minute. Yes guys, easily and fast. All what you have to do is first thing open the settings on your phone like this, and here as you can see you will find many options. Click on the apps manager and then go to the apps. Right here scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, click here on this force stop and then go down to the data usage, turn off all those options and enable them again like this. Go back, click on the storage, click on this clear cache and clear data. Now go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it after 1 minute. Yes guys, and that's it. After that, restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching the video until the end.